Dynasty Grande Hotel, which is on Soi 4, or you can say Soi Nana. It's basically on like a side street on Soi 4. So let's go. There it is on my right. Dynasty Grande Hotel. Right here. I believe there's 2 buildings, and the swimming pool is in the middle of both buildings, so in the center, on the 3rd floor. There it is. Got a car park over there. The lobby's just over here, the entrance. Got a massage parlor right here. A little pricey though. This one here. See, there's this building right here, and then there's another building right here, and up here, 3rd floor, is the pool. It's right up there. Quiet location. It's nice and relaxing up there. Want a good deal? Go on agoda.com. That's where I book all my hotels. Or maybe they have their own website and you go through them, but I don't think it'll beat agoda.com prices. So as you can see, just straight down there, there's a 7-Eleven. So it's just like you know, a 2-minute walk from your hotel. So it's convenient as well, having that 7-Eleven right there. And a bar right here. And there's a lot of laundry shops around here as well, so it's better to get your laundry done other, you know, not from the hotel, so they a little more pricier, so it's better to go to a laundry shop, a lot cheaper. Bangkok Thailand bar, cool. Okay, there you have it. Of it. Basically, it's on Soi 6. It's going to be 6 side roads. So we're on Soi 4 right here. So it's basically right there. Soi 4 side street. Dynasty Grande Hotel. Swimming pool is open from 8:30 till 6 p.m. and it's on the 3rd floor. As you see, we're on the 3rd floor. Let's have a look. That looks really good. Decent sized pool. The view you get from the pool. Surrounding buildings, obviously. And gym is right. See, it looks like it's on the 2nd floor. We'll have a look at that as well. I think there's 2 buildings, so building number 1, building number 2 is over here. Yeah, the swimming pool looks great. Decent sized pool. Good for laps, good to relax in. Some sunshine in here right now, so here's the shower, the bathroom. Okay. There's exciting hotel review. The swimming pool at the Grand Dynasty Hotel. I keep getting confused because there's another hotel here called the Dynasty Inn, so I get those two confused. So you got a menu here as well. You got towels here, so it's always good. Just sign your name in, the room number, signature. There you go. Get a towel for the day. Okay, we're at the gym. My gym open from 8 in the morning till 8 p.m. Use your room key card. Get in here. Okay. Just like that. We're in. Looks pretty good. Some newer equipment in here, so what else do you ask for? That's great. Anything you want? Bench press, free weights, go up to 55. That's right. 55 is 50, there's 55, so 55 kilos. Water here, some towels. One of the better gyms that I've seen in the hotels that I've been staying in, so there you have it.